The Hydro X5 pressure washer, released in 2025, is a cordless, handheld device designed to enhance a standard garden hose by increasing water pressure to around 350 psi. Although this is notably higher than a regular hose, it is significantly lower than the 1,500 to 3,000 psi range typical of full-sized electric or gas pressure washers. The unit runs on a 21-volt rechargeable battery, providing roughly 30 minutes of use, and features a lightweight design with a 16-foot detachable hose and several nozzle options. According to user reviews and expert opinions, the Hydro X5 is best suited for light cleaning tasks like rinsing patio furniture, washing cars, or lightly cleaning decks. It is insufficient for more demanding jobs, such as removing stubborn grime, concrete stains, or deep driveway cleaning. Some users report issues like shorter battery life under heavy use, overheating after extended operation, and quality concerns common with many as seen on TV products. Pricing can also be unclear as it is often sold in packages. In conclusion, the Hydro X5 is a genuine and handy tool for light outdoor cleaning needs, but is not a substitute for a traditional pressure washer. It's perfect for those seeking portability and ease of use for quick rinses, but shouldn't be expected to deliver heavy-duty cleaning power.